Hello and welcome to this module on the core qualities of a skilled listener.
When you offer advice to others or tell them what to do or try to fix something for them, you might sabotage and undermine their innate ability to resolve their own difficulties. As you work, it is important to develop the skills that will enable you to accomplish this task. People in crisis often become so focused on difficulties that they are almost blind to their strengths. Often, they only see their perceived failures and believe there's no way out. As you listen to them, you will become aware of the many resources, internal and external, that they have.
Well, that concludes this training module on the core qualities of a care assistant.